Hi everyone, seeing this GCash error on your phone. Let's fix it quickly. Step 1. Go to Settings. About phone. And check your Android version. Step 2. If your phone is Android 4.4 or lower, try updating it. From Settings. Software Update. Step 3. If no update is available, your phone does not support this feature anymore. Step 4. In that case, use a newer Android phone to run GCache properly. And that's it. Simple and quick solution. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and share for more easy tech tips.